Hi there, I'm Philip from Smart Apps for Kids. Today I'm going to show you this new app. Once you've seen enough, click on the icon to learn more or to download it from the App Store. Let's get started.
Dinosaur train A to Z.
Hey everybody! Today we're going to be playing Dinosaur Train A to Z. Yes, let's check out this awesome app.
Atticus were amphibious, which means that they lived on both land and water. As amphibians, they were able to breathe underwater, kind of like fish. Like modern turtles, Atticus were turtles that could pull their heads into their shells. Atticus most likely ate plants, but may have also fed on small animals. Like turtles, Atticus carried their homes, their shells, around with them all the time. Turtle shells are made up entirely of bone and are usually hard in order to protect them from predators. Allosaurus was a huge, long-necked dinosaur. It was one of the last sauropods that lived in the Mesozoic era. Allosaurus had a small horn over each eye. The horns may have helped Allosaurus to recognize others of its kind. Allosaurus juveniles had longer legs than adults, making them fast runners. Scientists think that young Allosaurus needed to run fast in order to keep up with the adults, which took larger steps. Allosaurus was one of the dominant carnivores in North America that lived in the Jurassic, many millions of years before Tyrannosaurus rex. Allosaurus is the state fossil of Utah. The Cleveland Lloyd Dinosaur Quarry in central eastern Utah preserves remains of dozens of allosaurs. Amargasaurus was a giant sauropod with 2 rows of spines down its back. The spines may have been attached to one another by skin, creating the appearance of a huge sail on its back. Scientists believe the spines on an Amargasaurus could have helped defend against predators, communicate with other Amargasaurus, or control body temperature. Amargasaurus was a sauropod. Sauropods were 4-legged herbivores known for their small heads, big long bodies, and large appetites. While Amargasaurus looked like other sauropods with its long neck and small head, it was very unique. It had 2 rows of tall spines down its neck and back. Ankylosaurus was covered from head to toe with bony armor. The bony club at the end of its tail was used in defending against predators. Ankylosaurus was a large armored dinosaur measuring up to 30 feet long. Scientists believe it could have weighed up to 13,000 pounds. That's about the weight of an armored tank. Ankylosaurus was a large and heavy quadruped, which means it walked on 4 legs. It was also a herbivore, which means it only ate the green stuff, plants. The body of the Ankylosaurus was covered in bony knobs and plates called osteoderms that functioned like armor for protection against predators. Apatosaurus was a giant dinosaur that had to eat huge amounts of food every day to support its size. Apatosaurus was a huge plant eater that grew up to 75 feet long and weighed as much as 4 elephants. Apatosaurus had chisel-like teeth located in the front of its jaws, which it used to grab plant food. A lot of plant food. Apatosaurus was a sauropod dinosaur that lived in the Jurassic time period.
Well guys, as you can tell, this is the ultimate dinosaur app. Now we have only looked at all of the dinosaurs that begin with the letter A. You can go through the entire alphabet and check out every single dinosaur from A to Z. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope to see you again soon. Bye for now. Don't go without clicking on our Smart Apps links for awesome reviews, free apps every single day, and the very best giveaways. Bye for now.